Hi, my name is Doug Hundt. I'm president of our Industrial Solutions Group at Vermeer and wanted to give you an update on the tornado that hit Vermeer last Thursday. Our first mode of operation was to make sure that all of our team members at Vermeer were safe. And we're happy to report today that not only are Vermeer team members safe, as we had many customers on site, and everybody's been accounted for. So after we secured the safety of our people, we quickly moved into the rebuild mode. We've had people working through the weekend, and I'm proud to report today that we already have half of our plants back and operational as of Monday morning. Our parts center is also operational, so we are shipping parts to our customers. The plants that were affected, we number one have a plan to restore 2 of those plants within the next 2 weeks, and we're working on a plan to reposition the 2 hardest hit plants. Those production lines should be up and running in the next 30 to 45 days in our existing facilities. So what you'll see is our spirit is strong, our team members are working hard, and what you can expect is a quick recovery from Vermeer. We are committed to servicing your needs. We're Vermeer strong and our spirit is strong.